remains in effect until 6 a.m. Sunday. Locations: Fairfield, New Haven, Middlesex and northern New London counties in Connecticut. Hazard types: heavy snow and strong winds. Accumulations: 6 to 12 inches of snow. Highest amounts across northern portions of the county and higher elevations. Winds, north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. Temperatures, in the lower 30s. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: snow, heavy at times, will taper off between midnight and 4 a.m. from west to east. Rain will mix with the snow at times along the immediate shoreline. Damaging winds will continue into late tonight. Impacts: widespread tree damage and power outages will continue. Travel will continue to be extremely hazardous. For the following areas, in New Jersey, western Passaic and western Bergen, and the following areas, in New York, Orange, Putnam, Rockland and northern Westchester. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 2 a.m. Sunday. Locations: western Passaic and western Bergen counties in New Jersey, and Orange, Putnam, Rockland and northern Westchester counties in New York. Hazard types: heavy snow and brisk winds. Accumulations: 10 to 14 inches of snow. Winds, north 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures, lower 30s. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: heavy snow will taper off from west to east between 10 p.m. and midnight. Brisk winds will continue overnight. Impacts: widespread tree damage and power outages will continue. Travel will continue to be extremely hazardous. For the following areas, in New Jersey, eastern Passaic, eastern Bergen, western Essex, western Union and eastern Union. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 2 a.m. Sunday. Locations: eastern Passaic, eastern Bergen, Essex, and Union counties in New Jersey. Hazard types: heavy snow and brisk winds. Accumulations: 6 to 10 inches of snow. Highest amounts across higher elevations. Winds, north 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures, in the lower 30s. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: snow will taper off from west to east between 10 p.m.